What is the name a man can give to God? How can the infinite be bound by a finite word? All that language can express must be finite, since it is itself finite. Yes, it is very difficult for the mortals to think or speak of anything without calling it by a name. Knowing this, the ancient sages gave the Supreme a name of Om, also called as which stands as the root of all languages. To understand we need to first understand that this word is made up of three alphabets, A, O and M. The first letter, A, is the mother sound, being the natural sound uttered by every human being when the throat is opened, and no sound can be made without the opening of the throat. The last letter, M, is spoken by the closing of the lips, which terminates all articulations. As one carries the sound from the throat to the lip, it passes through the sound of A. So combining the birth sound, the mother sound A, to the closing sound M, the sum total of all these three sounds makes the sound of or Om. The sound of Om, when chanted, vibrates at a frequency of 432 Hz, which is the same vibrational frequency found throughout everything in nature. As such, Om is the basic sound of the universe. So, by chanting it, we are symbolically and physically acknowledging our connection to the nature and all the other living beings. Chanting Om has both physical and mental effect on us, as it calms our mind and in return it calms our nervous system.